Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another video. Today we'll be comparing the Stomp and Escape Tyrannosaurus Rex from the new Dino Escape line with its more recent counterparts, the Epic Roaring T-Rex and the Extreme Damage Rex. I think that's what it's called. They share many similarities with each other, and we'll be going over these similarities in this video. So, right off the bat you can see that the new Rex from the Dino Escape line is based off of the Epic Roaring Tyrannosaurus Rex. But a few differences are the snout details are a bit lacking. You can see there's some shiny parts on this new Rex that aren't so shiny on the original, and that have kind of details that have been rounded down on the head for some reason. Guessing it may be due to this neck portion here being customized. You can see there are no ribs or distinct ribs on this figure, just kind of like a small impression or dent in there, but you can see there's very prominent ribs on the Epic Roaring Rex. Another thing is the tails of these two figures point in opposite directions with each other. Obviously this one has a button to control the mouth movements. Another thing is the plastic on the new Rex is shinier, whereas on the Epic Roaring it's more dull, like a matte color almost. The underbellies are kind of similar, but you have the new one being a bit more of a yellow tinge and the older one being a bit more of an orange tinge. And you can see the new one has the jaw painted that same color, whereas the old one does not. Both their teeth are rubber, so that helps prevent paint from chipping off when, I guess, kids play with them. The feet and the legs are practically the same, except for, obviously, the newer one has these joints in them. They're basically the same legs. All the lines are there and whatnot. Just a different plastic. Maybe thinner, I don't know. The nails are painted on the newer Rex, and the snout on the older one is painted. You can see the tongue inside is rubbery, and the tongue inside of this guy, or gal, is molded into the bottom jaw. There we go. And the necks. So the neck's actually quite thin on this new Rex. You can see how chunky it is on the Epic Roaring one. It's a lot fatter. I tried putting the capture gear onto this one. The head fits fine, but the neck piece does not. You gotta squish it on and then it pops off sometimes. So the neck's definitely fatter on this figure. The action features are different. The head jiggles around on the old one, whereas this guy just has the roaring upright head movement. Okay, so now we took a look at what the mold's based off of. Now let's see what the color's based off of. Oddly enough, you can see it shares a very, very similar pattern to this Rex here. It seems like the Battle Damage Rex has a just slightly lighter base color to the body, but that pattern is definitely the same or similar, but the pattern is also lighter. So they went with a slightly darker skin and darker pattern on this newer Rex. And it's interesting that they took the colors from the Battle Damage Rex and the mold from the Epic Roaring Rex. I think that's a good combo, but now we have just loads of Rexes in our collections, basically. So they're fusing different Rex colors and molds and making all sorts of different ones. So I guess it's good for collectors to pick their favorites. It's interesting to see that Mattel is going with a darker shade of Rexes. You can see that all the newer Rexes have this dark color to them compared to the lighter ones in the first wave in, for the Fallen Kingdom lineup. But I like that they're going with the darker colors. They definitely fit really well with other figures in the lineups. And it's nice to see that they're experimenting with these different color combos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison video, and if you did, please leave a like. It really helps my channel grow, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.